Let us now look at types of triangles. A triangle is a type of polygon that has 3 sides and 3 angles. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon having 3 angles. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. This is called the angle sum property of triangle. There are 6 types of triangles with respect to length of the lines and the angles of a triangle. Let us now look at 6 types of triangles. Triangles can be broadly classified into 2 types, which are: the first one, we have triangles based on the length of their sides. Then the second one, we have triangles based on their interior angles. So let us look at 6 types of triangles. So based on their sides, we have scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Then based on their angles, we have acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, right angled triangle. Let us now look at types of triangles based on their sides. According to the length of their sides, triangles can be classified into 3 types, which are scalene, isosceles, equilateral. So let us now look at the scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has all the side length of different measures. No side will be equal in length to any of the other sides in such a triangle. In a scalene triangle, all the interior angles are also different. Let us now look at the isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the length of 2 of the 3 sides are equal. So the angles opposite the equal sides are equal to each other. In other words, an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. The equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the length of the sides are equal. In such a case, each of the interior angles will have a measure of 60 degrees. Let us now look at types of triangles based on angles. Triangles can be classified into 3 types with respect to their interior angles, which are acute angled, obtuse angled, right angled. So we'll start by looking at acute angled triangle. An acute angled triangle is a triangle whose all the 3 interior angles are acute. In other words, if all the interior angles are less than 90 degrees, then it is an acute angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle are those in which one of the 3 interior angles has a measure greater than 90 degrees. In other words, if one of the angles in a triangle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is called an obtuse angled triangle. Right angled triangle. A right angled triangle is a triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degrees. In a right angled triangle, the side opposite the right angled, which is 90 degrees, will be the longest side and is called the hypotenuse. You may come across triangle types with combined names like right isosceles triangle and such, but this only implies that the triangle has 2 equal sides with one of the interior angles being 90 degrees. So that's all about types of triangles. Where you have questions, please ask in the group. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.